Hi guys, meet Ravi, one of the most enthusiastic and helpful tourist driver you will know in India. He is very knowledgeable about various tourist locations and treats his guests with utmost hospitality and makes sure he does the best he can for them. For example, you can have a look at his car, which he keeps clean and equipped with things like candies, water bottles, first aid, etc. Now let's see what has Ravi to say about his journey so far.
Namaste, my name is Ravi. I am from Delhi, so I am working with the tourist drivers and I am a tourist driver verified with the ministry. I have a experience more than 15 years. I am going with my guest. We doing the tour, Agra, Jaipur, Jaipur, Jaisalmer. So we have many cities. So we are going with them and we are going for mountains and all are the north of India. So we are working with the district. So we are provide the guests cold waters, cold drinks, and we have many candies and chocolates, and all are the we have available everything in my car. So my guests are very happy with me. So I hope I get a chance from you. Thank you.